Hello! Hello! Quite realise how good some of these roads were out here in the Dales. Been through the Dales a few times, but not. Well, I can't remember coming on this particular. Look at that! I don't know if you can see that in the distance through the camera, but the fog has settled again in the distance there. It's almost a cloud that's settled down into that valley ahead, and it looks quite spectacular actually. And I suspect we're going to be heading into that. I'm not sure how much time there is left recording time on this camera, whether it's the disc or the battery should be okay because I'm using the Drift external power pack, but maybe the card will go first. Aye, it might. Hey. So one topic I was going to mention today a little bit was the question of how do you operate during the day? Are you a morning person? Are you an afternoon person? Are you a night person? Do you feel better in the morning? Do you feel more full of energy? Do you feel like tackling work during the day or in the morning or at night time? I must admit, I think I'm more of an afternoon stroke evening person these days. I really have found it difficult in recent weeks to even want to get out of bed in the morning. I mean, this morning I got out early to come on this ride, but actually I could quite easily have spent another couple of hours in bed quite happily. And I think we might be arriving where we're going to have our cup of tea.